The time I left my body, sleep paralysis. Hello, everyone. Today I want to tell you about something that happened to me several times a few years ago. I don't know if it was a dream, it, if it was real or something in between, but what I uh, experienced was very intense. It started as a simple case of sleep paralysis. I would wake up in the middle of the night and couldn't move. My body was completely still, but my mind was awake. Uh, the strangest thing is that I wasn't afraid. On the uh, contrary, I focused on one thought. I want to see more. After a few times, something stranges started to happen. I felt like I could detach from my body, literally as if I was floating upward. And not only that, I uh, felt like I could turn in the air, look at my room from above, and even move to other places. One time, I uh, reached my neighbor's uh, yard. I didn't walk. Uh, I simply floated like a shadow. Everything looked dark, but it wasn't regular darkness. It was a deep black, like another dimension, another time. I went through the well. I felt like had nobody, just awareness. I couldn't speak, but I could think, and even though it was the middle of the night, everything um, felt silent. No wine, no insects, no sounds at all. The strangest part was that I always knew I was coming back when I started to feel my hands like a mm, thinking sensation, and then slowly the rest of my body would wake up. I didn't tell many people about this because even it wasn't sure what I had experienced, but I repeated it so many times that I started to believe that there was something more going on. Eventually, I stopped trying, not out or fear, but because life distracted me. But now, after a couple of years, I would like to try again. Maybe not to look for answers, but just to feel that again. I don't know exactly what it was. I don't know if it was real, but it was one of the most intense experience I've ever had. Uh, has anything like this ever happened to you? Tell me.